Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
To reset your TV to factory settings, start by navigating to your TV's settings menu. Look for options such as System, General, or Support, and find Reset or Factory Reset. You may need to enter a PIN or password. The default is often 0000 or 1234 if you haven't set one. Confirm your decision to reset, and your TV will begin the process, returning to its original state. Remember, this will erase all personalized settings such as app logins and channel setups.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.